Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and find your zip code on Nintendo Switch. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to access your Nintendo eShop. So right over here, once you have tapped on your eShop, you will be able to access this kind of interface. So whenever you do a purchase, whenever you try to like buy something, you need to have your zip code because all of the taxes will have to be calculated on basis of that. So for that, after you are in this kind of interface, all you have to do is tap on this top right corner section here in your profile icon, and once you have done so, you can see we have this interface which includes our accounts information on the left corner of the side. And right over here we can see, once we have tapped on a profile icon, we will be able to find this another settings which includes the current balance on top and the location settings right over here. So if you would like to find our zip code, aka find, or if you would like to change it, all we have to do is tap on this change which is given below. Once we have tapped on it, we will be able to check out our location and change our zip code accordingly. But the thing is, let's say if you haven't verified your location, if you haven't done anything regarding that, but if you still try to go to the checkout section and purchase something, and whenever you needs to get billed or anything, you will still be able to find this kind of box which will ask you to enter your zip or postal code if you haven't confirmed it in your account. So you have to enter the code, make sure it's correct one, because all of your taxes will be calculated on the basis of that. So make sure to add it and you can confirm it, and your billing will be accordingly. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.